Your family shapes your legacy. It's important. Own and appreciating assets. Own things that pay you to own them. What is generational wealth? Generational wealth is passing more than money. Wealth is often measured by money and worldly possessions. But the truth is, welcome to Life by Design with Tim Booker, where you can live well, you can own your future, and you can cultivate your legacy. Welcome to Life by Design with Tim Booker, where we discuss building generational wealth, where we question your definition of what wealthy is holistically. Wealth is often measured by money and worldly possessions. But the truth is, wealth is really about your inner peace. It's really about the relationships you nurture. It's about your sense of community that you build. None of those things can be bought or sold by money. Real wealth sustains families and communities, and that's what we're here to discuss on this channel. What is generational wealth? Generational wealth is passing more than money. It's passing knowledge, habits, values, structure, and community relationships that last. I've designed 4 key pillars for measuring generational wealth and wholeness. It starts with financial wealth, then we go to spiritual wealth, we go to physical wealth, which is your health, and then family community. And I'm going to discuss each one of them today. Pillar number 1, financial wealth. Investing early and consistently. Own and appreciating assets. Own things that pay you to own them. Using trust to protect your assets. Having financial principles of savings and investing consistently in things that appreciate. Those are the habits. Building wealth is a mindset. You start with your financial mindset. Pillar number 2, your physical wealth and your health. You can't enjoy life if you're sick. We need to focus on healthy habits, lifestyle, nutrition, sleep, peace. I don't know if you know this, but health is the number 1 cause of bankruptcy in America. Protecting your health is critical. Do you value your health as wealth? Spiritual wealth. This is your moral compass. This is your purpose. That gives your life meaning. This guides everything you do. This keeps you from achieving what you think your financial goals are and feeling empty when you achieve them. This matters. This leaves the story for what and who you are. This is what your family will remember about you. Not what you left them, but who you are and what you left in them. Your spiritual, your purpose, your moral compass is a definition of who you are and how you impact people, and it affects all pillars we discussed today. Pillar 4, family unity, is critical. Family is not blood, it's your sense of community. Your family shapes your legacy. It's important. Building coordination, cooperation, love, leveraging wisdom, expertise, and talent within your community is your power base for greatness. It's what supports you, it's what encourages you, and how we shape that coordination passes on generational habits that can go multi-generationals. So we need to invest in people, we need to invest in our community, we need to teach our family how to love and leverage. If you think about most great family structures that go multi-generational, it starts with family unity, passing on knowledge, love, structure of coordination and getting along. It's critical. And that is an important pillar that we need to focus on. Here's a case study. Building on these 4 pillars matter. Let's talk about the Rockefellers versus the Vanderbilts. The Rockefellers, a very wealthy family, built on oil. They had these 4 pillars, well defined, well executed in their family, and their generational wealth has lasted 7 generations. When you talk about the Vanderbilts, which built their wealth in railroads, they did not have a well-defined structure. They had wealth, they didn't have the family structure in place, they didn't have some of the sense of purpose and coordination that was necessary, and their generational wealth has only lasted 2 generations. The lessons here, family wealth around these 4 pillars: structure of knowledge, financial health, community, trust, investment, and continuity matters for generational wealth. Here are my final thoughts about generational wealth. Generational wealth is created intentionally. We want to experience, for true wealth, the full experience of life, peace, laughter, and love. We must align our knowledge, our mindset, our spirit, and our purpose for true wholeness. And we have to remember, we are the blueprint. It starts with us. Generational wealth starts with us. We leave our legacy, and we must lead it living intentionally. That's what we're here to discuss by Life by Design and Tim Booker.